In this video, I will take you through a detailed look at the split pay feature offered by the Rent app and whether it is actually worth your time. Managing monthly expenses can be a major stressor, especially when rent takes up such a huge chunk of your paycheck. This app aims to solve that problem by allowing you to break your total rent into smaller, more manageable payments throughout the month. One of the best things about this system is how it integrates directly with your existing landlord setup, which means they still get paid in full and on time while you get the flexibility you need. During my review, I found that the user interface is incredibly clean and straightforward. You simply link your bank account, and the app calculates a schedule that aligns with your pay dates. However, you should keep an eye on the service fees because while they are generally low, they can add up if you are on a tight budget. It is a fantastic tool for freelancers or anyone with an irregular income stream who wants to avoid that massive beginning-of-the-month drain on their funds. It also helps you build a positive payment history, which can be a nice bonus for your financial health over time. If you are tired of the stress of big checks, this might be the perfect solution for you.